How to fix can't restore licenses error in Nioh 2 on PS5. Here are some tips that would help you fix can't restore licenses error in Nioh 2 on PS5. 1. Quit then relaunch the Nioh 2 app on your PS5 console. 2. Check your internet connectivity and see if your connection is stable. If not, Google then try some additional solutions re how to troubleshoot slow PS5 speed. In the meanwhile, take a look at the PSN service status page. 3. Enable NAT or QoS in your router, if any. 4. For PS players, try using a different DNS server. 5. Rebuild your PS. Database. 6. Back up your gaming data. Then remove and reinstall your Nioh 2 app. And try restoring your license later.